welcome back. Jonathan and I were arguing a bit about this Watkins DIY bus thing. He says that people want to see other stuff that we do. We've been getting messages that they want to see all of our projects that we do and everything we build and create. I'm thinking it should be called Watkins DIO for do it ourselves, but I don't know. DIY. So what I'm going to do is I'm working on a witch's broom that flies for my granddaughter. Now, before you guys think I'm some kind of NASA trained aerospace engineer that can defy gravity, it's not what you think. It's we'll put a witch's broom on a scooter and then camouflage the scooter with camouflage, creative painting, misdirection with your eye type thing for Halloween. And let's see how that works. So I'm going to start on this, but we're going to give it a shot. So let's watch. I think I'm ready to put on some foot pegs. I think that's all I got, and then I gotta start painting it to make it camouflage. We'll try and camouflage these things here. We're trying to highlight the actual broom part. I have some stuff to try and make the broom part. We'll try and hide the rear wheel with your left. It's an old mirror housing, but I saved it because it'll go over this wheel and keep all the broom material out of it. And that's what I'm up to today. We made the seat adjustable, so in case she wants to use it next year, and I'm sure she'll grow. So we can do this, and that's where we're at. So I'm going to put you on time lapse so you can kind of follow along quickly, and let's watch. Okay, so here's what we're up to now. Jonathan doesn't want to have his new camera oversprayed, so I shut it off, covered it up really nice and neat. And then I finished sanding this. I put some etching primer on, and then I sprayed some flat black, kind of here or there, really nilly. It doesn't really have to matter too much, because this is going to get covered and this is going to get covered. And what I'm going to cover it with is really cool. Look at this. This is old wood grain from the 1980s. Back in one of the cabinets over here, we saved all our old pieces. And lo and behold, I get to use it today. It's probably not the intention we had, but I'm going to cut up the strips. I'm going to cover up the broom handle part of it. And then we went to Ace Hardware today and we got some camouflage tape. It's kind of camouflage. I wanted to go with autumn colors, like turkey hunting type colors, but this should do it. And this is going to be wrapped here, and all the things I'm trying to make kind of disappear. And the scooter also, I'm going to put some on the head and the little support bars they have. And we'll try and cover up as much of that as possible. And then maybe we might actually be able to make some broom stuff. My sister gave me some different materials that we can try and use to make the broom part. I don't know what I'm going to use yet, what kind of thatch I'm going to use, but that should be pretty close enough to make a Halloween broom looking thing for my granddaughter to ride around on. So once this is all done, now I haven't even drilled, I have holes, I get to drill it into the scooter. If by chance she outgrows this or doesn't want to ride around on a witch's broom all year round, which I think would be kind of cool, but she can just, John can just unbolt this from the scooter, and she has an actual scooter that she could get going, ride around, whatever she wants to do, if she so feels like it. So anyway, I'm going to put it back on time lapse, cover this all up, and I'll talk to you when I'm done. So this is how it ended up. We have the witch's broom. Behold. The only thing I have to do left is tomorrow I'm going to drill the holes and bolt it to the deck. Maybe Johnson can help me with that. Then Olivia can come, try it out, and we'll see how cool it is. We might have to adjust the foot pegs, depending on where her feet line up. I wanted it to be like a witch, where they have the knee bent and the foot back. But there you go.
Anyway, as you can see, Dad did an awesome job building this witch's broom. Kate and I are gonna finish it up, and then we're gonna go get Olivia, and we're gonna surprise her with it and see how she likes it. So all that's left for us to do is I've got to drill 7 more holes, bolt this down, and then that's it. It's done.
Okay, Jonathan and Kate finished bolting the broom down to the scooter. So they're gonna go get Olivia. I'm gonna touch up the paint, get those screws all black so they kind of hide. And then we'll try it out. It'll be pretty cool. So let's watch.
What do you think?
I think it's really, really cool. It's very neat, Grandpa.
You gotta practice riding it. Let me show you how to turn it on. There's 2 buttons. See, there's only 2 buttons. And you got 2 levers. This is the gas, the brake.
Okay.
Make sure you don't hit them both at the same time. Okay, just turn off, let off the gas, hit the brake. Push and hold this button so you see it turn on. Push and hold it. It's 3 seconds. Okay. See, and then the next one, see the S for slow. And the orange for a little faster. And it's red for oh my god fast. Okay. Put it on slow. Okay. So always make sure it's until you get better used to it. You know what I mean? And to shut it off, same thing. Push the hold button and it'll go off. This has a little speedometer, but don't worry about the speedometer. Worry about more staying on it. Practice by keeping your feet, just first open, just keep your feet out and ride it. See if you like it. If you get used to it, put your feet on the deck, okay? And if you think you can do okay, then put them on the foot pegs. I want to see how your legs bend. Because, you know how witches have they sit on a broom, their legs are bent way up and back?
Yeah, how about doing that?
Okay.
And
so here, try it.
remember, you have to kick off a little bit to get the motor to
see,
turn.
it won't just go. What you gotta do, you kick off a little bit and then hit the button. There it goes. Okay.
Okay.
And remember, there's a little kickstand here.
Oh, wow.
Make sure that's up.
So just try it with your legs down. That way you're stable.
Okay.
And once you get used to it, you can put the mask on.
Well, put the cloak on first.
Do I really gotta put on a mask?
Oh, after. Okay, give yourself a little gas with your thumb. Okay, a little bit with your thumb, and kick off, and then let off. Okay, now let off a little bit. And then,
Whoa. Oh yeah.
okay, just practice. And brake works okay?
Yeah, it looks like.
Okay. Now you notice it's a scooter, so there's really no brakes.